Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kaseng jong kisamla Assamese ki basyong basa hakani kanong ba Shillong ki bahapo ka Shatri jong ka Shillong Social Cultural Assamese Students Association ringkat ki dikhot jong ka Khasi Students Union bat ki wedi ki seng jong ki jai Bynriew per ki bana ki Jylla jong ka than jete lamingi haka khandreu terek mentau banai no pra arja kat khandai kila beteng ki jinge ki jong ki ban Dawa na ka sarkar pdeng ban pentrekam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 hakani ke Jylla Meghalaya bat hakiweru ke Jylla jong ka than jete lamingi bat ka jingdawa ban pentrekam no da ka inline permit hakani ke Jylla Meghalaya bat hakiweru ke Jylla jong ka than jete lamingi kani ke jinge ki jong ni pat ba kalalong hakalanti ke bajajai da ka balet shong kalan mongor hakmat ka yengsa jong menteri sarkar kani ke Jylla u James PK Sangma kabaran hajan Assam Kristi Kendra hapodan kiti hakani jelom hakani ke jaka ki dikhot jong ni kan hon kila pelong tang ka jing perta pat ba baki persya ban petrekam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act bat ban petrekam no da ka inline permit habaro ke Jylla jong ni than chete lamingi hakani ke jinge perta kini ki kenhon kila penramru ya menteri rang bakdo kari Narendra Modi bat ya menteri ka sarkar pedang bakmi ya ketnat ki kam korbari u Amit Shah
Sarkar murdabat Amit Shah go back Amit Shah murdabat We want ILP. We want ILP. We don't want CAB. Actually, we all are suffering together. The whole Northeast is suffering together. In fact, we want ILP for the whole Northeastern region. We want ILP. 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 We are together. We all Northeastern region together. If we don't fight right now, we won't be able to solve the foreigners issue right now. So we have to show our unity right now. Otherwise, the Modi government will implement this act. And ultimately, we all indigenous people of Northeastern region will be minority and will have to fight for our rights in our own land. So we are not going to do that. We are not supporting this present act, which is forcefully implemented by Modi government in the parliament. They have passed it, which is totally illegal for our indigenous people. We want ILP, no to CAB. We want ILP, no to CAB.
We have fought to safeguard ourselves. We will continue to fight. This law has been imposed upon us, not only as Assamese people, as people of the entire Northeast. The other day I saw in the news, 2.5 crore Bangladeshis are ready to come. If they come, then there will be no place for us in our own lands. My brothers from the KSU are here. They have been fighting. We have been fighting. We are all in this together. We are all in this together. And today, if we do not unite, if we do not let go of our differences, then we will be divided only to fall. Only to fall. They are playing a game of divide and rule. We cannot let them win. We cannot let them win. Miscreants will cause trouble on the roads. They will blame us. In Assam, miscreants lit fires. Innocent students died. We cannot let that happen. We cannot let violence lead the way in this protest. Our protests will be democratic. Our protests will be peaceful. Our protests will be powerful. Nobody will be able to ignore us. Nobody will be able to ignore us. We will not give them an excuse to shut down our voices. There has been an internet blackout all over the region. News from our region is not going outside. Everywhere else, protests are happening. That is divided on the basis of religion. Here in the Northeast, we have not brought religion into the mix. We do not care about religion. What we care about is our identity as a people, as a society. We still, in Meghalaya, in Shillong, we live by what Uttirat Singh CM said. It is better to die as kings than live as slaves. That is us. That is our society. We will not let that go to hell. We will not let that die out.
The Khasis and the Assamese have been together for quite a long time. If you look in the Ahom Buranjis also, you will find that the Khasis assist the Ahom kingdom at that time under the leadership of the great General Lachit Borphukan to thwart the designs of the then Mughal King Aurangzeb to extend his empire into the northeast region. This, I believe that from that point onwards, the movement started whereby our culture stands strong and it refuses assimilation into bigger cultures. Also, when the anti-foreigners movement started in Assam, spearheaded by the All Assam Students Union, a similar agitation, a similar movement started in Shillong here in Meghalaya, whereby if you go through the old newspapers dating back to 1979, you will see that the organization itself, the Shillong Socio-Cultural Assamese Students Association, along with the Khasi Students Union under the leadership of Michael's aim, we fought together against the immigrants, against the illegal immigration that comes from Bangladesh. We have been going through, from the Khasi community and the Khasi Students Union in particular, we did an RTI on the refugee colony there in RR colony. At that time, during the Bangladesh Liberation War, we were part and parcel of Assam. And the Indian government, without consulting all the stakeholders comprising of the Assamese people, the Khasi people, and the other citizens of Assam, it went on to give land to the Bangladeshi immigrants in Assam and also in Shillong. We had an RTI whereby it stated that there are only 275 beneficiaries from the Bangladeshi refugees there in RR colony. But we don't know what happened now. As we have seen now, Shillong is being engulfed by Bangladeshi immigrants. In Assam, out of 24 districts, 12 districts have been governed and have been overwhelmed by the Bangladeshi immigrants. It seems like the humanitarian venture of the Indian government, whereby giving refuge to the so-called persecuted minorities of other countries, is not a part of the mainland India, whereby all the immigrants are being dumped in the northeast region, thereby making the northeast region a dustbin of the government of India. This is highly unacceptable, and we, from the Khasi Students Union, we will stand by the Assamese in their movement. From the NESO, we have been putting on our demands that Citizenship Amendment Act or Citizenship Amendment Bill, whatever you like to call it, should be, the entire northeast region should be exempted from its purview. Not only Meghalaya, not only Nagaland, not only Mizoram, but the entire northeast region. Because if Assam feels the pains, then Meghalaya also feels the pain. We are one, we will be united. The NESO leadership now is in Delhi, whereby they have filed a petition against this draconian Citizenship Amendment Act, and we hope that the court will rule in our favor. Similarly, the All Assam Students Union is also following suit. But despite the court petitions, the movement of the people should be stand and should remain strong. And we, from the Khasi Students Union, we will extend all support available from our heart and soul to the Assamese community, both here in Shillong and also the Assamese. And also, I would like to state that the 4 Assamese fighters who had died in the battlefield in Assam, their blood, 6 of them are there, 6 of them, their blood, their sacrifice should not go in vain. And it is our duty that we will ensure that we will continue to etch a better future for our future generations.